TikTok Lite file size and APK fact you must know before installing. The download size shocked 30 MB versus 180 MB. Google Play positioned TikTok Lite as a compact, faster, ideal for budget phones and slow connection. TikTok Lite, 30 MB install size, designed for low storage device and weak network. Standard TikTok 182 install size and feature, but strong storage hungry. So the real storage is not just the APK. So 30 MB initial install TikTok Lite's base APK footprint, 125 cache growth, and 14 MB APK mirror builds with a 182 MB standard TikTok base install before cache and data accumulate. So what you gain and what you lose. So what you gain, data saver mode, stream videos using up 20% less data. Offline mode, watch cache video even on a slow or unstable network. What you lose, TikTok Lite omits browsing centric safety warnings percent and the main app, including alerts for dangerous, misleading, or AI generated content. Lite wraps means fewer content moderation features. So final checklist before you hit install, choose Lite if you need a low RAM 2G to 3G friendly experience on a budget device with limited coverage. Choose standard TikTok if you want richer safety labels, strong content filtering, and full interactive control. Know the limits. TikTok Lite may be regionally restricted. It is reportedly not available in the US. But anyways, guys, there you go. And you can also check our affiliate link down below. It will help the channel out. It's a Wise account which can help you send money anywhere around the planet. So anyways, guys, there you go. And it has a cool feature that you can hold a lot of currencies without having to be in that country. So I suggest you guys checking it out. Anyways, guys, see you guys on the next one, and thank you, guys.